My inventory is literally filled to the brim with just sugar cane.
Nice.
I wish I had an auto crafter.
Kung saan na ba nang nakita mo?
Jawan Tokyo lah. Jawan Tokyo.
Out of home de Paris.
Yeah, that's how you get it person easier.
Alright, thank you, Matthew.
Because that's all I did. Bantayin ko na yung dalawa, okay pa. I should have bought more blocks. 64 was not enough for this base, even though it's a small base. Na nakita mo, no sa iyong ngiti. Ah, shop. Need to be. Let me just get 4 stacks. I bet that's good enough. Yo, person, are you gonna do it now?
Later.
Hi. Like, I would say you just find like your like your base is like near a cave, right? I would say just get a zombie villager from that, then cure it.
Yeah, good idea.
Because well, it's cheaper, you know. You need move. A, sit down. Epsilon, Earl. Please go.